Yeah, welcome back. It's your girl Sweetp. I'm there with Vibe with Squad in the morning.
Yeah,
All who
man,
not
with this,
subscribe to
this
Vibe
not
with
too long I
Squad.
wake up one night time and I jump up and remember say with this I figure a cow bush. So I say
Left out early, come in late.
so you don't know his style
Kinda
enough, friend.
late.
See me there way and you know his settings.
Yeah man, hurry come out to come a cow bush.
Man, we are going
Leave
to
me socks me not have on this morning cause me hurry dress for the cow bush. They remember me socks and they remember say yo put on even a long sleeve blouse here man. So press like on the video. Guys, press like on the video and share up the video. See what I say, we are go through the forest again.
You got no man. You know we have to lead the way enough. Make moms come through the little passage. You know what I mean? Yeah. Me are going to the jungle. Come on.
Right, we are going to the jungle. Come on. Yeah man, we still a go through. We still a go through the forest.
All of them places, man, I'm a cow feeding ground, man. You see me? You see me? All of them tree, then I watch them. The cow come through them places. Some of the time I look at say, be a cow grass. You see me? Yeah, man. Right now, people, I forgot to tell you, we in a 7 rivers. You see me? But we are raised with animal them. We don't want them going to people farm. Because you see how we think set. We are raised for things, so we don't want to mash up nobody things. So we don't want to have with things and nobody violate with things, you know? And sitting there get weak.
Rough, missing on junker. Yeah. Remember you say if you knock a tree, then go fly out. Like them belly bottom and drop out. Knock a tree and look if none go fly out. You see none up there.
Let's go there.
Let's go already, then gone. See one gone over there, so one gone over there, so. The last time I 1 minute sit, you know.
Yeah.
One single one. And another tree where you're not keeping the pan in our next tree.
His son come out and
out. Yeah, his son come out. People, his son catch you this morning. I'm not telling you no lie. So no know where go. Son catch you this morning. And I say we are plan, say we are come. A cow bush under a fog. Next year no fog, you know go under fog or frost. Come on, cross here so you're gone with me. Cross. So me say, as me I say, we are plan say we are come early under frost. But sleep never allow me at all. Sleep never allow me to come so early. But anyhow we are go still. Yeah, people, when time we finish, I go up on the river again. Oh.
move him. Yeah, all the way when they are saying trample down also.
Yeah, man, you saw when bush other day when we time.
See it, him coming like a walker.
So I place the bush, you see it there? How would that over there so the ball?
Like him tangle up too.
Oh my. You see you come clear this one and say my ball. Say you not see him and you pass him. You not tangle up, I bex him turn up. But what make me wear red come a bush this morning?
Nah, do nothing.
A bad boy I get big.
Yeah, I can big.
Yeah. When him same barn with you, you soon can manage him and they pull you down. Same the buck to and nearly drop. You know see what go on, he come buck into and nearly drop.
You carry him down the river go make them get water, you know.
Yeah, man, when they're ready, then deal with him wicked in our bush, man.
So.
I'm going to drink some water and get himself round up.
Come. What's up?
Yeah, man, I saw him deal with him, call them, hey.
Yeah.
You see what I'm telling the people, me know? Remember if you know when I listen to the last video. Let me say me always I end up in a red come a cow bush and on a purpose, you know. I don't know how the last time I never end up in a red. Me end up in a red again this morning, you know. From the cow you buy. And me I come a cow bush with Nick. A pure red. And when he call little and used to steer upon me, you know, that I mother cow, he used to turn up and steer upon me and him go on some way, but he look like he used to me and I red by now. When me know we are ready, he look upon me good. Because he used to me and I red. Yeah. Normally they say if you wear red, the bull cow them running down also, but well, probably if a people call them and they don't know you and they not used to you, but if I feel your own cow and him know you're in a red, you can go around him in a red. Yeah, and the cow mix, you see me? He fast like a bullet and ignorant. Yeah.
Come.
Them body him up when they're ready, you know. Come on, them body him up when they're ready. Drag him down in a bush and they're sitting there.
Watch out, watch out. You see him? Can I see him and screech here?
They screeching me?
See him there screech here.
The ras and he hand them big so. Watch out people. Look what they screeching me down there so. Look if you can't see him. Watch there.
Me too come round the river, man.
Me don't know that one there now, but you see I hand them big. Just throw me in my red blouse. It me I tell you now, say. You see? Jaja God, watch him to know. Or go catch back Nick. Just watch them.
So me train me cow them to
They know where
drink
to go.
water.
Make the next one stay out there so. So if
Why
I'm
go drink water?
from my red blouse catching here this morning.
Nothing on the ordinary part. When the cow them smell me are the master.
But me never see that the one there with the screechy back of me, you know.
Him on the black one apart. See him there?
Me I go catch back Nick cause he look like saying one come run me down. Me ratty that's so far Nick gone. Come bad star. Me I come. If you go run me down, me now wear this a blouse. Me bombard.
Stop running now. Where the run go?
But come
Stop
big.
running. I'm bombard.
Let me go in front of you.
Go on this man, you run too much.
Me take off your blouse.
We're not there now. I hear
See,
you run.
come
You
on,
run and go on bad all kind of something. Do not run, leave him man. Him and him apart, look.
Clot. See there?
Apart with them, a link him, can't link him. I see around the summer have a black one, you know.
And me easy make a beat a while ago and me look and see my yellow pa come and look for me.
I sure you see him big, so man, I see you down.
No, I show me in a red.
Okay, you see the black one? Him and him apart. You see him gone with him? This is how you want water. He gone, you gonna drink him water.
Yeah man, I mother call that. I mother call that. I give you a better look upon him. Yeah, people, so we in our bush. Alright. Talk to them, talk to them. Let them know say you go drink water when you're done. Oh yeah. After me not afraid of your cow. I cow when me not know with him big dirty hand them. Me not like him. Can I run from this cow when me they run him from him a baby. This a cow me used to rub down. He used to me in a red. You see as that the one they see me, he used to go. He wants to go. Slap him in front. So I have to take off my blouse throw down there so they look. See it there. My blouse that you know right now, I don't have no blouse card. I don't like the other coat. I don't like the next one. Nick said top run. Where the run go? Hey! Oh, I 160 me a go through the bush. See it right at the gun like that. Right out of the bag. I'm going to take it to you.
Come on, come on.
Me know so I watch if you the only the laugh off of me, but you no bother with their style there. You hear me I tell you? Your time there, sir? I make nice in one go. Around them now go. I like a big ugly cow there. Down this end?
Yeah.
You walk.
Now catch him till
Till ready for move him again.
black cow. I'm so holding on time.
The black cow gone down away next cow there.
Over some gone.
Good morning if you breed again. I have one more 2 calf this time. Because the little bull one, then I could have turned up and rub him down. We can't touch him again, he gets so big. I run up and down all over the place. What? Around yourself, you no link up. Yeah? Think come easy around yourself, no link up. Look back at me if you're not screeching. Now you call that the goat, you say, woman, you might look again now, which one of them are enjoy?
Man, the big one without aunt, with aunt a par.
And it could be the one. You want next big cow out, some man.
Oh, what a man.
Next big.
Look, man.
Yeah. See my look woman down there so there. You man look a bambelly one when they run come a while ago. See bambelly one did so there. And so if you need black one they go over there so back up. Woman. You see your man stay? You know stay where mother then? You gone back up woman. Yeah, go for him.
See? Come on.
Come up here and make me chop in your head.
Let's walk this side and see him. See them there? Them big. So then walk across me.
Man, I my little baby, you know, you see him? Up and down in a bush. Remember when he little so, and now he run up and down over
See
here.
that
See
calf?
nothing, Papa?
See that calf here?
A she or a bull?
Looks funny.
Come on, look for you. And come out. Launch of here and I have to run. So you see him come.
You cow them now. Then drink water, yeah, so. A nice school, you know.
I don't know, make him watch me so people must not like me. Show no river. Because him can't ram pretty.
So we full of pool.
Show no one more. You go from them, not hold it here.
Step right. That's one little mini pool, that's what I say. Nice little farm. Full of river people are country, believe me, man. I would have took us up here for 4 months here. We'll leave a nice river we have, clean and pretty. Believe me, man.
That's so nice. I like that so.
All under here, so you don't see under here.
Alright, you see after water run go under here so. Come out on here so. Look. Come out here. So around here so one deeper pool. Around it so much deeper and wider and nice. You see me? See you can go down right, it's hot water come out. So the river gone all the way back down so. And the river where I go now, I think this go run in it. This other one here is doing it. More bad boys out there now. Couple of them out there. You know look, couple bad boys out there. So guys, remember to press like and go over to Squaddy. Tell them your channel.
Most you have vibes with Squaddy, you know. Over YouTube, you know I think on me, vibe with Squaddy, you see me?
Yeah.
If they are cool out, leave more left side and
Man, you're
right
so nice. You're so cool.
You're so cool and nice. Oh, look at me, sit down people. Sit down and chillax. See me? Clean, pure water, yeah, so. Chillax, me and chillax, you see me? Yeah. And my water boat now leak, man, you see it? You walk in the water with water boat, you see it? Water boat now leak. That's some farmer youth with them water boat a leak. Sorry my friend, but I wanna not leak.
Hey! Yo, we see how nice push water boat them there. They can small up the
No, you know say as a farmer, you know. As a farmer, as a youth in the bush. So I mean, you know say we have to have something to protect with two of them. I will put long pants. You see how I dress? Long pants, long sleeve. You know, all the while I go in the bush without shirt, you see me? Yeah.
You have one shirt last week, bro?
No. This
I know I'm end up without
week,
shirt.
You know, you don't know shirt this week.
Yes, sir.
I like a tunnel, I want to practice something, you know, you see me? One time when we are boy, when we are a little bit smaller, come here, so. We play hook and swim through under here, so. Come up down there, so. Let me show you what I go on. You see another little tunnel? Now, a cobweb down there. Yeah man, you usually swim through it, you know what I mean? Play race who can swim. Yeah man, that is it man. Love country bad, you know. And I want to do some man. I want to do some man.
Yeah man, last week Nick not have no shirt. And I end up without blouse this week. Well I say I go because I want big ugly cow when I see in the bush. And he hand there stiff. And they tell me say finna run, but me don't know who in they tell that. He call the run come to my direction and Nick there a little bit distance from me. Me say me just run go catch back Nick, but no run. And he call and them stiff, me sure no he call, so no definitely see what me a talk about. And then what make me a runner because me in a red blouse. Yeah, cause me no normally like run from them, so I threw me in a the red blouse. Me nah wear no more red come a bush. Mosquito. You have to tough in a bush cause mosquito nest they go bite you. Yeah. So people remember enough to go over Talk Up TV 1. All who not subscribe over there so yet, you know, go over there and baby mother, big up yourself. All of my new subscriber them, big up on yourself. I go cross one wire fence to go over there so. This is a new subscriber for my channel, baby mother send over there. Special big up to Uno and everybody else who subscribe to my channel. Special big up to Uno. Same way.
Watch out, you know amount of coconut drop off a tree in a bush. Eh? Coconut tree for days, weeks, months and decades, you know. Watch out. Do this and beat me. Watch out. Do this and beat me, watch out. Me just take you up here.
It a shake.
Dry coconut, you know, say oh, this good. You know what I mean? Me can tell when a dry coconut good from when it's not good.
It a shake.
Just by shaking it, you know what I mean? Yeah. More time you hear shake and water in there and it's not good, you know. Me skill like that. But you see that one, yeah? I don't really waste me and waste you know, but through food their country just a dash through and a drop off a tree. So go left for one in the bush. You know what I mean? Yeah. I feel no way, man. You know, I don't waste food, you know.
What's all full of coconut run?
Country, you see country, food there country just a drop off of the tree. The birds them just a eat it, the fruits them off of the tree. Them ya, yo, them ya sit, them ya thing ya. How me love to see. You know? Country life, bird them in my ears, cow them a ball moo. The goat them say bear. You know, the dog them say whoo.
Me I get hot, but me now worry myself because river they close by. Oh, come up on the next river. The next river.
No, we are going down the river.
So, people them have no water. That was star. It's full of water.
See them place
there. Sorry, if you could have stretch the river to go some.
Fish in our water.
So this river you run come under the bridge and come over so. They're gone there so. What? Make Nick go left me in the bush because I don't want to talk and screech yet back at me again.
Around this here there. So them deal with round and so.
I don't feel people. I call them deal with round and so. Anyway, you see bush look scanty and flat. I call them do it.
Call them type cow where you see grass there so you can eat. I come back all tomorrow man and look on this. Catching water now still. Still.
Yeah man, see me blouse down here so in a bush. Sometimes when you come a bush you have to run there for things them. One part.
You left down so?
Down where? Think you went left here so with the blouse.
See to your foot.
Okay. And when you down the riverside, you know, I go to ask your feet, you know. When I see you call, look for me.
You're so content.
Alright. Don't really like yasso because before we screech it back on me yasso, me.
Go and eat. Put on the water and carry me, that's all one thing. You can go and eat.
So we are good on our riverside now, go catch some water. people. Remember that? I just said we come on that day. Yeah. Come on, I just said we come on that day.
Give me that bucket.
Yeah, come back here, sir, right? Yeah. Because you left my blouse down there.
Alright, come. Drink your water. Come.
I'm not drinking water.
I'm not drink coffee. I have to go full up back that before I left. So I leave with him. Yeah, my river first go drink water. Go back again go look water for him. And left water for him, make sure I'm saying have water. To serve him. Next one I give him a look, man. You see there all about he can go drink water anytime he want. Anytime the next one want.
He in business with but him not business with you when you come a bush and you.
Business with him mother again. I just time so start time and now. I win him, you know.
When you come a bush, you not even like cover on you all day way there. You not even like get to catch him for the to him. He just busy fly down through bush back and rest a cow them. One way. That's too lick you want.
Oh, that's something for hold him on time. And then, you know. Get on there.
You come like that one way picnic. The man in belly they get bam.
No, that's something like look for me. Look for me animal, you know. See them time a dry time, you see me? No rain hardly there too far if you know grass grow for cow, you see me? So you have to go way in the bush.
We in the bush with them. We in the bush. As I tell you, anyone who see look flat out, go pass through this and deal with it. Anyway, yeah, see if a bush there, you can't catch this yet.
Yeah, man, I watch nothing, man. I just go and pre animal, you know. Anybody who they watch the YouTube live, yeah, and a YouTube stream, yeah, watch you go on, what farmer. Anytime you know there with run on an animal, you know, for eyeball them. Good, you see me? Yeah. Make sure you inspect your animal good, no say yo. Yeah man, you alright. You know, no cut. You know, this and that, you see me? Yeah. High price, you know. When you see when you garling them itch up on him back. Yeah.
And make them too long white something from him.
Yeah.
And bright though.
Them pick ticks off of them, you know. If you make cow no chug with ticks. You ever see ticks pan you? When they come around my cow. My cow them clean like a whistle.
You pick ticks off of them?
You don't pick ticks off of them.
But you not carry them going or so.
Alright, so man cow full of ticks now. You see anywhere them cow they have beer ticks, did they?
Yeah, you not carry them and for ticks there.
No, I don't mix my cow with other cow. If you chew that one the Lego now.
You will catch ticks. I'm Lego.
No man in a summer tan, you know.
Catch all kind of sitting.
Yeah, man, him go catch all kind of sitting, man, him. Yeah. Soon time blood cleat, you know. Soon time.
The one that I give warm time, nigga, couple time come a bush.
Come to catch him for time. What if he saying do?
Run off as he see you.
Run off gone in a big herd them. See me? Run off. Wait, man, next week now pass a minute time. You might get to or. Now where the him born?
Yeah, or long time from him born.
No.
Kind of like he may want to jump up on him.
He never stay so. He's a car for me, usually could have go so and rub him down.
You can't
spray
touch
all
him.
in neighbor. All him and spray in neighbor.
You can't touch him.
All him and rub him down, take all picture. Now, he's a rolling stone all over the jungle.
A rolling calf that in bigger story.
Him a roll.
If your time, you'll do a guy if I go drink water still.
I'll go for one more bucket of water for you. Him a go on good.
Let me stick in my shit.
See it, him a go on
If you
good.
with me, because if you big cow come out, if you chop him.
Big cow come here, go that tear gone on the place. When if you just shift, go back around tree.
I don't have all my blouse, so if he come now, I chop him in for. You see, I beard him. Go back down the river, go full in it. Bucket of water for him. Then the pan then one you know. Done with them for the morning. Every time now. The whole a beard. I'll go around. Yeah. Every time now the whole a beard and go around because we have business to do. On the river now, bathing time. Man, I fish for the man. You look at it. I'm not going to look at everyone.
Yeah. Let me like that.
That is it. Yeah, people, river nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, we are going back now. Because the water make you feel look cool. Sun the pine so I can't see you. Yeah, man, the river water make you nice and cool. And look at the water cool. So we are go back to the bush and go home. Make a wish on our way. Which way?
Straight.
So. More, see more junk there, sorry. The breeze blow. See what make we not bother for walk with the coconut them around the bush. Cause we have jelly coconut at home. Right in my garden. Natural jelly coconut. Where cover it?
You drop off right behind this one.
Natural jelly coconut, people. Look at that, pure. Oh.
You know when I chop the coconut and lick the dirt, splash up here for this.
Okay. Nice.
Take out your own coconut. Take out your own coconut. You're a big girl now. You must go and take out your own coconut.
It's a spoon bigger. You can take out. Show you how you take one time. Round and round and round and dip and round. And dip and round. You see that? One time.
Take time, man. Scoop, man. Scoop. Scoop, man. Scoop.
Jelly coconut now.
Jelly coconut have a scoop. Scoop, Shayna. Scoop. Scoop.
Go on, man.
See there? Scoop, man. Scoop. It done, you know.
I'm going to get some water now.
What? Pipe water?
Some of jelly water. Now you have to sharpen.
I'm going to pick 2 more jelly coconut.
Water.
I want to eat my jelly coconut too. Hold on the people, watch out. Jelly coconut water, you know. The water and even full up the container yet and him start drink out it.
But I'm thirsty, remember see how far in the bush we are come from, you know. I'm sure we say we are going to drink coconut, we need to violate one in the bush. What's in the bush stays in the bush. Alright, we go do this. Refreshing and nice. Yeah, man, a jelly coconut, man, it's nice. Cool. It's jelly cool, like say. You know, I wonder how they so cool. Like they're in a fridge. I like when they ash.
Who name Ash?
I like when the jelly coconut them ash.
Who name
When
Ash?
it tastes ash. I mean if you ask you who name ash.